treat. Unfortunately, I had a flat tire on the trailer. And I was caught without proper tools. All I had was the 3/8" Craftsman ratchet. That I promptly stripped the head out of. And I'm going to have to come back on a recovery mission. Adventure and winter camping. Might have been a little overzealous. I figured this was going to be a good idea.
But it wasn't like this yesterday.
No, the weather report was drastically different from what it ended up being, so all's good. We are now running away. And Rowan's excited. Real slight tracks there. I suppose, yeah, you can probably see them on the camera from where we are now. We're sliding all over everywhere. But that set of tracks there is when Brent came out earlier today and followed the same ones back in. Just the colors. That's a lot of contrast. Black and white. Hey guys, this is Ozzy, and as you can see there, we got Brent here too, or actually he's got me. We got a call earlier today, and Brent and Aaron were on their way home from a camping trip. Long story, we were thinking about going and stuff too. As it looks now, good thing we didn't go, because we would have taken the van, and you might not have seen the van for a month, who knows. So anyway, they went camping on the backside of those mountains you've seen in a lot of other videos at the Ruby Marshes, and it was raining last night when they got there, but it turned to snow. Probably, what do you think, at least a foot probably?
We got a foot now. At least I pulled a 21-foot camp trailer out here.
So, and that's the rest of the story. The camp trailer would have been home, but got a flat tire, and then lack of some good tools. The one tool he had to change the tire with ended up breaking. So he came home, brought Aaron, Adeline, and baby Rowan back to the house, and then I got in the truck with him, and we're headed back to the campsite to pick up the camper with some better quality tools that he has. He just didn't have them with me. So anyway, we'll show you a few of the sights. It was a little bit late getting the camera on and stuff and getting videoed, but it should be good anyway. So we'll show you guys what's up. Any words, Brent?
Nope, we're just on the recovery mission. We won't be coming back up the same way we're going in. Kind of more of a main road. It's just a little longer, but figured we'd go this way on the way in. I broke trail coming over this morning. These are the tracks that we're in now. But yeah, no, it should be good. Definitely don't want to even think about trying to pull a trailer over this, but we'll head out on the main road and see if we can get out of here. Hopefully, I think the hard part's going to be getting out of the campground, but we'll see how it turns out. I think we can do it. We got chains and traction boards. We'll be all right.
So we'll video that for you too when we get there. We're getting close to that more of a main road here coming down off the pass. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, it quit snowing. It's cloudy off in the distance. I'm going to turn you around here though, so you can see what's going on where we're at now. made it up here. And compared to back in town, it's a winter wonderland up here. Trees are all sagging. We got probably easily 12 inches up here. I'm walking down one of Brent's wheel tracks now. So anyway, cool. We're gonna rescue the camper. Now take this foot and go up to this hand.
Okay. You good?
I hope so.
Okay.
Well, that was uneventful. I'm breathing hard. Well, that didn't go too bad. You probably can't see it on camera, but that's a downhill turn, and was wanting to push you towards the outside downhill part of that, and it's the only way you could have went. If we'd have went the other way, the hill would have been steeper. So, but anyway, it went good. Chains, I'm sure, made the difference. So anyway, I'm walking up the hill and doing well, but I am breathing hard. So turn you around here, Brent's waiting on us.
Pretty uneventful, I'd say. I think it's a good thing we packed the track and put the chains on.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm getting good traction.
Yeah, it worked out good.
And they say Tacomas aren't hollow vehicles, right?
Yeah. And you're towing, what'd you say, like
21 foot, 3,000 pounder.
Yeah.
3,000 dry anyway.
And approximately 12 inches of snow.
Yeah.
So it's good. I think we got everything ready to head home. It's gonna be dark before we get there, but it should be good from here on out.
I think so.
Probably shouldn't have said that, but I did. Yeah, we're gonna keep the chains on, like Brent said, for a little bit, see how far down the road here we can get. Probably not too far, be able to take them off. So anyway, cool trip, guys. See you in a bit. Well, already getting back out of the truck. Not because we have a problem, but I feel like we're cheating. If you look there behind me, which is the direction we're going, that's actually ahead of me when I'm sitting in the truck. But they plowed the road. This is a fish hatchery out here, so from here on back to the interstate, it's probably plowed. So, and I don't know, guessing 30-ish miles back to the interstate. So if it wasn't plowed, it would have been a nice slow go of it. So anyway, I'm gonna do a quick walk around here and see where we're at here. Brent's over on the other side. I think he's already pulling the chains. How far is it back to the turnoff?
That way or which way?
No, the turnoff we're headed to, 30-ish.
30-ish, yeah.
Yeah, so we got
We got about, I don't know, 80, 90 miles.
30 miles back to the turnoff, but yeah, we've got roughly 80-ish miles still to go. So, but it should be good from here. The what could have been the scary part is over. So, anyway, it was a good camper rescue. So just pulling the chains here, like I said, and we'll be on the road again. So far, not a bad trip. There's the fish hatchery. Somewhere in there, there's some fish. Today's March 5th. Tomorrow is the 6th, and it's Brent's birthday. So it'll be late by the time he sees the happy birthday on the video, but we're gonna say happy birthday to Brent. So anyway, his birthday's going to turn out to where he's not going to have to work too hard tomorrow, since we saved the camper today instead of waiting until tomorrow. So probably a good choice. Never know. It's supposed to still be snowing through the night, so I think the worst of the storm's over, but don't know those things. So we came out and saved while the saving was good. So anyway, guys, unless something comes up, we'll probably end the video here, and we'll catch you guys on the next time around, a couple weeks. All right. See you later.